Well, hello, welcome back. So today we have a heater sent by one of our workshops, and they didn't manage to fix it. The guy from there is saying that the unit gives the 52 error code and the fan is not starting. So I told him to check the fan. I don't know if he did it or not. He sent it here anyway. So this means the unit is not working, probably. So I will get the unit out of the box and take a look at it to see if we can see something right away, or yeah, if not, we will put it anyway on the test bench and see what problems may be there. So right from the start we can see it's a very old unit, and this I know just from the fuel inlet and outlet, because they are on two separate parts of the fuel pump. The newer units have both connections one next to each other, so yeah, it's a really old pump. Also, it has the pressure regulator here at the outside. On the new units you do not have access to this regulator from the outside, only the inside, and well, it's not really okay to mess with them, only if you're 100% sure you know what you're doing. Also, we have the coil, which is the old model. Yeah, so it's a pretty old unit. Yes, we don't have the serial numbers or something like that. So let's open up and see at least what kind of electronics we have. The electronic is the new model. Okay, so everything looks okay here. Let's see. So yeah, the fan is not locked. Okay, let's put it on the test bench and see what's going on with this unit. So we will start the unit. Something interesting happens. I already tried to start it. So the water pump starts. I can hear the fan. I don't know if it's loud enough. I mean, I don't know. Okay. Well, now this is disappointing. So the unit is working. Okay, so I think I can go home. So on the diagnostics, let's say anyway, we should check to see if there are any errors in memory. Okay. Aha, so we have a water pump fault. 37. So this was in the memory. Yeah, and the first is our fault because it didn't start. So let's say what other problems are with code 37. Okay, so 37 has a really long list here. And unfortunately I can only check one thing from this. I don't know how the service shop didn't find this error. I don't know. I just cannot explain this. So anyway, it says if there is a Flowtronic S or Bus 2000 pump installed and this has a diagnostic wire, then probably the pump is at fault. So you have to disconnect the diagnostic cable from the heater and also start the heater like that. If you still have 37, then probably you will have to change the control box. Okay, so if the water pump is standard, a Flowtronic 5000, the one that we have here, then the same, you should disconnect the pump. If the error does not disappear, then it means your your electronic is at fault. But as we can see, the unit is working, the unit is started, it's heating, and we don't have any problems. Okay, I will not delete the errors because I want to save them for the workshop to see what they have missed. Instead of that, I will go to functional check, and I just want to see if everything is okay. So flame is detected, we have the 2 water temperatures, yeah, we have the voltage hours, which it's a really small for this unit. Sorry, now you can see it, but this doesn't really mean anything. The pump is really old, and I believe that the electronics were changed in this time, so probably this is why we have this really low working hour count. And the heater is pretty old. Actually, it's the first time I ever connected a fuel pump on the test bench that has these two the connections on the two sides, not on the same side. So I cannot really say anything here. Yeah, we can select the temperatures, and we can do a graph if we want to show the customer that the unit is working, but since it's a workshop, I will only send them the errors, and yeah, they should check on the car. Yeah, they also send me the cable, so could be that there is a short or a problem on this cable. I don't know, we could check this also. So this is these are the connectors that go to the water pump. So this is positive and negative, and probably this is the diagnostic wire, yeah, which we don't really use at the moment anymore. So those pumps are really old, and actually I don't think anything is connected to this connector because everything is so dirty on this one. Let's make some light. Yeah, flash. Okay, so we can see some usage on these pins which connect to the water pump, but these are not used at all, or could be. No, so my opinion is that this is not used on the vehicle, and also this one is, so only they don't have the diagnostic wire also. Well guys, this is all that I can do. I will check the cables to see if they are in short or something like that. The water pump is the red-white wire from here. I will check it with a multimeter against ground, and if it's not shorted, then well, the problem is the pump. Okay guys, I will stop this video now. So sorry that it wasn't something interesting, but yeah, maybe you will have the same problem sometime, and this video will help you. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, bye bye.